Guys, by using this simple Google Sheets trick, I've been able to generate over $56.58 today so far. Yesterday, I've requested my payout of $176.85 from this exact same strategy. What I'll do is I'll reload my dashboard over here to show you that this is indeed my live dashboard from this specific tool that I'm earning from using Google Sheets, and you can see over here this has successfully been refreshed. Now I will show you over here, in total I have earned over $12,440 from this tool, but not all of this was made from this strategy. The recent earnings that you're seeing over here, $56 and $176, is what I've earned using the simple Google Sheets strategy that I'm going to be showing you in today's video. Same thing with the second tool over here. Currently, I have over $159.20 due from this strategy and over $79.76 from yesterday still in reserve that needs to get paid out. Also, this tool I've made over $14,150 from, but again, not all of that is from the strategy, but these smaller, more recent amounts that you're seeing over here is from the strategy. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $350 combined in one day using a simple Google Sheet. Let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach, and trader, documenting my journey on the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel every single week. I post at least 2 to 3 videos every single week documenting my journey on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to get a personal notification from me every time I post my latest way that I use to make money online, which a lot of the time does include catching on to trends. So it doesn't help watching some of my videos months and years later when perhaps a lot of those trends have passed. So it is very important, if you're keen to make money online, to try follow my videos as soon as I release them so that you can catch onto them immediately. So what I recommend is go down below and subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message to your phone every time I upload my latest way of making money online. But with all of that being said, let's not waste any time. Let's dive straight into my PC. Alright, so we are now inside of my PC, and the first thing that I want you to do is make sure to leave a like on this video and also comment down below which specific way that you would like to see how to make money online, whether that's PayPal money, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's funnel building, whether it's trading, creating content, cryptocurrencies. You let me know down below in the comments, and I will make more videos based on what I see the most in the comments to give you guys as much as valuable on what you're looking for. So make sure to go and do those 2 things down below, and let's continue to step number 2. The first thing you really need to do is come over to Google Sheets. As you know from the title of this video, this is all about this Google Sheets trick that I'm about to show you guys. On the googlesheets.com Sheets about page, which you can just go and Google Sheets, and it will be the first link to this page. You can go and click on Go to Sheets on this homepage, click on a blank new sheet, and you need to fill out the following information: product, starting price, description, and then an area for your affiliate link. A quick tip before we continue: what I really like about this strategy, it allows you to earn from more than one product at the same time. As I showed you in the introduction of this video, there were 2 total tools that I've been earning from this. Mainly this one over here, and secondly, this one over here, which again, I'll refresh and show you that this is my live dashboard of both of these and not any kind of screenshotted or photoshopped payment that you can just make in Paint. This is actually my live dashboard with my earnings that gets paid via wire transfer, and this tool over here pays to my Bitcoin wallet, so you can earn in any way that you want to. Now that you've got this filled out with your product, starting price, description, and affiliate link, you need to go and search one thing on Google. That is the best funnel builders. Put the specific keyword into Google and go and click on any one of these websites. I'm just going to go use this one over here, skylinessocial.com, 10 plus all-in-one sales funnel builders for 2023. And if I go and search over here, you'll see we've got Kartra, which is the first one that I'm showing you over here. So we go and make a list. We can go and copy the name of this, come over to your Google Sheets, go and paste the Kartra name. Secondly, you can come over to any one of these. For example, let's do this one over here, Go High Level. So let's go and copy that name. You want to go and paste that product name over here, and then let's go and choose one more. You want a total of 3. Let's go and use Get Response. I personally know Get Response. It is a very good tool. Secondly, we need to go and fill out our starting price, description, and get our affiliate link. So what we need to go and do is, you'll see over here, each and every one of these tools have some kind of link. So you'll see over here, you can go and click on getresponse.com and it will take you to the home page of this product. So go and click on pricing, because we now need to go and fill out the starting price of the specific product. So as you can see over here, the starting price of getresponse.com is free. So they do have a free plan, which is really good. So we can go and type here, free plan. For GetResponse, we can go and type free plan. For Kartra, simply come over to the same article, just scroll back up to kartra.com. Go and click on Kartra over here. There's a clickable link and it will take you through to the Kartra homepage. Click on plans and pricing just to go and have a look at what their starting price is, which is $99 a month. So go and copy that, come over to your Google Sheets, paste that under the starting price. For gohighlevel.com, same thing, come over to Go High Level and you'll see over here, their starter account is $97 a month. So same thing, we can type here 97 a month. Thirdly, the description, which is really easy. Come back to the same article that we clicked on Google, and it's a matter of copy and paste. So we can go and copy this entire description over here, just as is, and we can go and paste this under the description. What I recommend is just obviously stretch out this quite nicely so we have enough space for our text. For Go High Level, same thing, scroll down and you can go and copy this little description over here. It really doesn't matter, it just must provide a little bit of information about it. And then also getresponse.com, scroll down, come over to GetResponse, which is over here, and go and copy this description, come over to your spreadsheet and paste this over here. And then finally, for your affiliate link, this is the part that might just take some time, but you need to come over to each and every one of these websites by simply clicking on the link to GetResponse. You'll see over here, here's the link to GetResponse, which then you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of that homepage, and you need to go and look for affiliate programs under the product section, and you need to go and sign up as an affiliate. And on your dashboard, you will go and get your affiliate link when you sign up to either one of these affiliate programs. Once you've got that, you need to go and copy your affiliate link and paste that under your affiliate link section over here. So for GetResponse, you'll paste your affiliate link like that. For gohighlevel.com, same thing, you need to scroll up to Go High Level, click on the link to the actual website. You need to scroll down all the way to the bottom and look for their affiliate program. Once you've signed up under their affiliate program, you'll see over here, become an affiliate. You need to go and sign up, create your account, again, copy your affiliate link, which you will then paste over here under the affiliate link section that you've created on your tab, on your sheet. Same thing again with Kartra. You'll see over here, if you scroll down to the bottom, they've got an affiliate program, which you can also go and sign up to completely for free. The fantastic thing about all of these affiliate programs that I've just shown you, each and every one provides you with lifetime commission. Each and every funnel builder has the keyword lifetime commissions. Now, what exactly does that mean? That means instead of getting a simple once-off fixed amount commission for referring someone to this affiliate program, you are going to get a lifetime passive cash flow from this particular affiliate program every single month on the monthly subscription fee. So for example, if you refer someone to, let's go and take the $99 package of Kartra.com. So let's go and open up my calculator. You are going to earn 40% of that amount every single month. So 40% of $99 is an amount of $39.60 you'll be earning every single month. So picture it like this. If you have 100 people referred to the starter program, multiply this by 100, you're going to be making $4,000 a month passively, cash flow, while literally doing nothing because you've put in all the effort previously, and people that you've referred years back will still be paying you today. And that is the beautiful thing about these affiliate programs. So same thing over here. Once you've signed up on the Kartra affiliate program, you click on apply now, you will get your affiliate link, you go and copy that affiliate link and paste it in your affiliate link section under your Google Sheet. Your sheet is now complete. Click on share on the top right, click on save, click on restricted to anyone with link and make sure you change that. Click on copy link and come over to a website called spreadsimple.com. This is a tool where you can turn Google Sheets into a full-blown affiliate marketing website at the click of a button with no coding knowledge, no drag and drop builder needed, no hours on end, adding images, adding text, marketing your website. This entire tool called spreadsimple.com, you can actually watch a free webinar and demo over here, is also completely free. I'm not an affiliate for this tool. I'm not talking about it to make money off of it. I'm talking about it because I personally use it myself. You can go and click on try out over here, and I'm going to take you through the process on how it actually works. So firstly, you need to sign in with your free or your Google account on spreadsimple.com, which I'm going to do quickly. Once you've signed in, click on plus new website. You can go and use any one of these templates. My personal favorite one is this one over here. Click on use template. It will then create the website for you. All you need to do is click on change source sheet, and you need to go and paste this shareable link that you've just shared on your Google Sheet, paste it over here, and click on submit. And take a look at this. For your title, you need to go and click on product. For your subtitle, go and click on description. For your price, go and click on starting price. For your text, go and click on, for your badges, make sure you select affiliate link, and take a look at this. It's created a simple list website with the top 3 funnel builders that you've put together. For example, Kartra, starting at $99 a month, with a simple description and a clickable button to your affiliate link. Same thing with Go High Level, starting at $97 a month, as you can see over here, with a simple description and the clickable button to your affiliate link. Same thing with Get Response, with a free plan, simple description, and a clickable link to your affiliate link. So all you need to go and do is edit a little bit of this information. For example, the tourist guide to New York City, that all needs to be changed. Go and click on design on the top left hand side of spreadsimple.com. For your homepage intro, click on that. For your page title, go and type the following: top 3 funnel builders for 2023. Page subtitle, including free trials. And as simple as that, there's nothing really else that you have to go and change. You can now go and click on publish on the top right side. You can go and type a name over here. For example, best funnel builders 2023. Click on save, and your website is now published. If I go and copy this link, you'll see over here, I can go and paste this into a new tab. It will then take me to my now complete and done for you website with listing all my products: Kartra, Go High Level, Get Response with the free plan, and the button to each and every affiliate link. So now your website is complete. This is going to lead us to the last and final step, actually getting affiliate links and affiliate signups through our newly generated website. Instead of me giving you one specific traffic strategy for your newly generated website, I'm going to give to you an entire done for you affiliate marketing course with hundreds of different traffic strategies that you can watch, choose from, and apply with your newly generated website to generate affiliate commissions online. And this entire course is completely free on YouTube. It is consisted of my top 300 affiliate marketing videos that I've posted in the last 2 years on YouTube, with my most successful traffic and free traffic strategies, some paid ones included as well. So what you can go and do is to go and get access to that is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is go and click on the playlist on the screen. Somewhere over here, I'm going to attach this playlist to the screen that I've compiled last night for you guys into one simple playlist that you guys can now watch, save to your watch later, download, do whatever you like with. So what I recommend is go and click on this affiliate marketing playlist over here and apply these traffic strategies that I've been using to generate money online with these Google Sheets.